Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Lewis Capaldi, always exciting to get his songs beautiful, and this one is one of them as well, Something in the Heavens. This is built upon 4 different chords. We have the melody, we have a simple strumming, and that's it. So let's go into this one, and as you can see, I got some help from a capo here. I placed that on 6th fret, absolute best scenario for you guys to have a capo, a good friend, 6th fret, and that makes life that much easier. So let's go through the 4 chords. We have the A minor 7 first. Okay, so that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the F as the 2nd chord. It's a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We got the C next. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we got the G. That will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so let's go into the song and learn the picking patterns for all of these 4 chords. That is the main thing here, but you can also use a strumming pattern. We're going to come to that, but first the melodies. So starting with A minor 7, that melody goes like this. So what you need to hold here is the 2nd fret D string, and that is the only thing you need to hold here for 3 of these 4 chords. So that is a very simple pattern we're going to learn now. So 2nd D, that's the only thing you need to hold here for this A minor 7. You're going to play 2 times on the open A string, then open G, 2nd D, a short little pause, and then comes open A, open G, and 2nd D. So slowly. Okay, then we go into the F chord, and the pattern is exactly the same, but you just switch out this bass string here. So instead of playing the open A, now you replace that with the 1st fret E string. Okay, so it sounds like this. So that gives us 2 times on the 1st fret E string, open G, and 2nd D. Short pause, and then 1st E, open G, and 2nd D. That's the F pattern. Now into the C pattern, exactly the same. Now just a new bass note, which is the 3rd fret A string. Okay, so you just follow the same patterns like this. Okay, so 2 times on the 3rd A, open G, 2nd D, pause, and then 3rd A, open G, and 2nd D. And then the 4th and final chord, this one changes a little bit when it comes to the melody here. We have the G, and what you're going to hold now is the 3rd fret E string and 3rd A. And you're going to play this. Okay, so you're going to play 2 times on the 3rd fret E string, then open G, and then 3rd A, then pause, and then 3rd E, open G, and 3rd A. So it's pretty similar, but really not. So there you have the 4 patterns. I'm gonna throw in the strumming now as well, so you understand how that goes. Now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. So A minor 7, and 1 string around goes like this. Okay, so that is down, up, down, up. Short pause, and then up, down, up. Okay, So we're ready for the actual song. The first verse, you're gonna play A minor 7, 1 round. If you choose to go with the melody or strumming, it's up to you. So 1 round of A minor 7, 1 F, and C2. In that chord progression, you're gonna go for 4 rounds. So 1 round of melody goes like this, and then I'm gonna switch up to 1 round of strumming. Alright, so there we have the first verse. 4 rounds in total, you're gonna play this, and that's gonna take you to the first pre-chorus at 37 seconds in. But till the day I die. Okay, very dramatic there in the lyric. Now we're gonna play 1 round of verse play. That means A minor 7, 1, F1, C2. Then you're gonna play A minor 7, 1, F1, C1, and then you're gonna go G1, okay? So first you're gonna play 1 round of verse, so that means A minor 7, 1, F1, C2, and then A minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. And this G1, you're gonna stop in the middle of it, so you're gonna play like this. And a pause. So you're not gonna fulfill the last 2 notes, you're gonna play just the third A as a single one and pause there, and you're gonna play that as a pause that builds up for the chorus. Then comes the chorus at 53 seconds in. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the following chord progression: C2, then G2, then A minor 1, back to G1, and F2. Okay, so you can go either melody or strumming. It goes like this with strumming. I repeat that for a second round, and that is the first chorus. All right, so into the second round of everything, guys. You're gonna play the second verse in the same way as the first one, but you're just gonna play it for 2 rounds instead of 4. So half as long, and that will be the second verse. All right, my numbers now going crazy, but anyway, I think you understand where we are. From that second verse into the second pre-chorus, again, you're just gonna play the first round here of the pre-chorus, not this second with the G in the end. You're just gonna play 1 verse play, so to speak. Okay, that's the second pre-chorus, and then into the second chorus, you're gonna play exactly the same way as the first one, no changes there. And then you're gonna come into the final part of the song, the outro, at 2 minutes and 37 seconds in. And what you're gonna play here is another 2 rounds of that chorus play. And guess what, guys? Lewis Capaldi's Something in the Heavens is not impossible. You actually finish that one. So a great song, only 4 chords, very simple how to handle them, especially if you go with the strumming, and you will get the hang of it when it comes to the picking pattern. Just give it some time to get everything right there. You're gonna understand the patterns of the melody. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon here again, back on Going Guitar and learning more guitar related songs. So thank you for watching, and play tuned.